You look good.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Come on, Lala. Come on, Lala. No, that's how I do. So I am at Lala's house, guys, and I'm so proud of Lala. She's been killing the game. I just came to her spot, and I'm like, have you done an apartment tour? Because this is crazy. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much. Child got me on here looking crazy. I hope wasn't even prepared.
Oh, my bad. Go ahead. Lala is talented at every single thing in the world. I don't know how one person can be good, even great at everything. If you follow her on Instagram, you already know her hair stays lit, slayed all the time. Whether she does it or somebody else does it, it's always lit. And I was like, Lala, you know, I want to step into the wig game, but I need some help. So she's like, you know what, let me put your wig on you. And I'm like, Lala, is that a good idea? And she's like, I got you. And it's funny because I brought her around some of my friends the other day and they were like, that's a wig? So I'm trying to have that response from other people. People talking about, that's a wig? Yeah, it's a wig. So we're about to take you through a step-by-step process of this transformation. So stay tuned.
So we're back or whatever, and as you could see, nothing changed about me. I just wanted to be ready, honey. Anyways, first thing that we're gonna do is go ahead and braid her down. Since she has a head full of hair, honey, we gotta make sure these braids are super small and cute. So that way her head could be flat, because we don't want her walking around look like a cone head. That's where a lot of y'all hoes be going wrong. So let's start with the braiding process. Are you tender-headed?
I might be today. Make sure that you guys subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you follow Lala on everything, on her YouTube, on her Instagram. You'll be stuck on her Instagram for like 30 minutes minimum, because you'll just start watching the videos.
Oh, child, I mean 30 videos. I'm not good.
So another thing Lala just did is she was
I was a guest appearance.
Appearance.
I was a guest appearance on Jimmy Kimmel. Ooh, that was so fun, honey. Lena Waithe was hosting, thank you. And when she hosted, she got to bring on different people, child. And she ended up having me on there as a guest, and I was just so honored, honey. And it worked out perfectly, because it was the perfect time for me to introduce the fact que yo hablo español. For those who don't understand, honey, perfect time for me to introduce the fact that I speak Spanish. And when I tell you that little moment went all over the place,
she speaks so well, like fluent. I'm not talking about she just understands. Like she
it's not like you know, that's how like people be trying to speak. But it's like, nah, like we really do this out here. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, she is officially braided down, hair flat, just like my stomach. And we are about to go ahead and make sure the braids come like they're sewn down in the back, so that way the whole surface can be flat. Get into her braids super flat. You can see scalp, all the extra stuff. Real cute, Then in the back, I went ahead and gave her 3 braids, like so. I'm literally just going to take the needle and thread, sew it up, make it super flat. So when it's done, honey, we'll be back to show you how the hell it looks, so we could be a couple steps closer to a whole new wig situation.
Them braids hurt. Hurt. And look what she braided. Look, she did that with these.
Let me make sure they see them.
Yeah, hold on. Okay, yeah.
Woo! Yes, honey. Hey, I'm gonna be honest. She could probably walk out the house like this. I low-key want to put some beads on the back and let her have a little Alicia Keys situation.
I would wear this.
Yes,
I would just.
That look cute. We just do a little baby hair situation or whatever. See me? Forehead starts 2 inches back from the actual hairline, so I ain't going. Okay. But see, she got a cute little forehead, so it works.
It's big, but it's cool.
And she alright or whatever.
Oh, we'll be back.
So honey, I went ahead and finished up the braids, and I used a crochet needle to go ahead and create this wicker basket type situation back here. A lot of people like to use thread, but since her hair has bleach or lightening rather, I wanted to go ahead and use a crochet needle so that way it wouldn't cut out her hair and make it shed a lot when she's taking her braids out. I'm going to go ahead and use some Got2b glue to apply it along her edges. Oh, we're speaking Spanish. Yo voy a usar este para ponerlo aquí en su pelo para protección. No quiero su pelo estar en el piso. Translation, I'm gonna use this as protection, a protective barrier, so that way her hair don't be coming out on the floor. Amen? Amen. Now, as I go ahead and put it all along there, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that it is super cute, low-key, like we're laying baby hair is smooth. She already has on makeup, so we don't want to interfere with that situation. Luckily for her, my girl does not have a 5 head such as myself, so I can literally apply the wig along her actual hairline just a little bit forward, so that way the glue's not getting in her hair and it won't be a hard situation for her to remove it. Okay, cute. So now that it is done, whatever, we are going to go ahead and put the stocking cap on her head. Place it ever so perfectly. Lean back like Fat Joe, if you will. I'm going to bring it close on her forehead. And yes, I'm going to cover her ears.
Why are you covering my ears?
Because I'm about to cut them out, sis. Yes. A lot of people don't know that whenever you do that, you want to cut it out to have a perfectly flat surface. I'm going to put it a little bit further down. Nope, don't worry. No, it seemed close because you could hear it, but I ain't near your ear. Okay. I use boho. Absolutely love me some boho, honey. So
what's that?
It's the glue that I'm going to use to apply along here. Now, mind you, for those who cannot super see, so I'm literally going to apply it a little bit in front of her hairline, not directly on her hairline. That is the huge mistake that everybody makes, and I can't stand it because they're like, I don't like glue, take your hair out. No, don't, sis. You take your own hair out by putting it on your hairline. No thick part of the actual stocking cap, okay? And here we go. So I know I'm super close on your eyes, but that's only because your forehead is so small.
Wow, I've never heard that before.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you think? You got a big forehead?
Yeah.
Be still for me. You definitely don't.
You know, it's a weird shape though. It's like rectangular. It's not like strange.
Okay, so I'm just applying it along her actual hairline, making sure to not put it on her actual hair. And I'm gonna get a blow dryer to make sure that way when it's been on there, I use cool air so that way it can hurry up and be expedited because ain't nobody got time to wait. Okay, so now the glue is dry and y'all can see that it's super clear right here. So that's exactly what we need it to be. I'm gonna go ahead and take these cute shears, honey. I got some sharper ones now, and go ahead and cut up into that. So here we go. Look at me.
How long can this like stay on my head?
Girl, some people be keeping it on for 2 weeks. But quite frankly, I'm not into keeping wigs on that long. I take mine off every single night.
Wow, gas is $5 a gallon.
Now that it's done and the lace is perfectly flat, just like we want it to be, honey, we're gonna go ahead and put glue along it for a second time, because this time we're gonna go ahead and actually apply the wig. How does that feel? Is it snug?
Snug where?
On your head.
Not really.
I don't feel space in there.
Ah! Ah! Ow!
Okay, is there a comb stuck? Let me see. There we go. I'm gonna make this smaller then, since you said it's kind of loose. Making sure to cut off all the excess net first in the back of the wig and the front, rather the sides. I don't like to cut off the extra net in the front until I'm actually putting it on, simply because it'll let you know where the hairline goes. But in the back, honey, tab at it, please. We're gonna go ahead and apply the wig to the top of her head, like so. Okay. How does that feel?
Tighter.
Good. Okay, so I'm gonna come in front of you.
You to hold it?
Yep. I'm gonna lay it on your hairline. Lean back for me. I wanna make sure it's centered. And line it up on the hairline and push down. pushing down along the whole hairline, making sure that the wig is nice and snug and that the hair is actually looking like it's coming from the net. So pull every part of it forward as much as you can. You see this part? Nope, don't judge, pull. I gotta go farther over the middle. This is different. Okay, so start over. Make sure you find the middle of the wig first and line it up with her nose. This wig already has a part in it, so I literally had to go into the middle and see where it is in order to line it up properly. So it's not actually where her part is. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on her actual head. And make sure it goes perfectly. Do me a favor, pull the back of the wig down, Jena, to your comfort level. Good? Mm-hmm. Okay, now I'm going to bring the wig forward. So tight, smooth. Okay, now I'll put it along where your hairline is. You can let it go now. Okay, so I'm pushing down along your hairline. I know it's awkward.
Let's go in the middle more. We like leaned over. Okay.
There we go. So I'm gonna cut so I could get the actual net. Once it's closer on her head, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the net so I can know where exactly I want the hairline to fall. Sorry that my arm is all
No,
in
we
the
can
camera.
actually stop it for a second until you get it. Right?
Yeah, you could just cut this out, but let them see me cutting.
Okay. Ooh, that lighting. Ooh. Oh, there we go.
Yes. There.
Now my head looks hella big.
Right, because it's all the way back. Forward. There we go. And push with pressure. Yeah. Ooh, look at her. Okay, so y'all, while y'all were out, or while we were away rather, we went ahead and hit this with the wand, honey. We installed it. We finally got it right, and literally it looks like this is coming out of her head. We went ahead and laid the baby hair along the edges. We're gonna go ahead and touch this up, but as you can see, what you got, honey? Scalp. And it literally looked like it's homegrown, just like the organic vegetables that she be eating now. But neither here nor there. I absolutely love this on her. Hopefully it's persuaded her to want to start wearing wigs more often. What you think about it, Jena?
I love it. I love my curly hair because I'm used to it. This I have to like play with and get used to it. But
one thing about
Lala
Jena,
killed this, guys.
She's super picky. So she was like, oh, I just gotta change it. She moved one piece of hair and she's like, doesn't it look so much better? And I'm like, yeah,
I'm gonna disagree
it
with you.
looks great. But anyways, honey, if y'all like this and y'all want some more tips and y'all want her to give y'all beauty tips, make sure you subscribe to her channel. She is going to give y'all so much more because I'm going to keep on pressuring her to do it, because y'all know pressure costs diamonds, honey. And my girl got skills that she'll even be sharing with y'all.
Oh, I love Lala.
I'm serious. But honey, now she's giving rich white woman teas. And yeah, I'm about to ask her, can I borrow some money? Because she just looks like she got it.
I'm in Lala's new crib, guys. She got money.
Girl,
She the one with money in
it's
here.
not about me.
Oh,
And my couch is
my
not
bad.
reclined with the chargers. But anyways, for real, I love it. It's so cute. And
Lala,
Sister Head just came out of retirement for a little bit or whatever.
She killed it.
You look good. You look good.
You made me look good, girl. I can't take credit for this.
Wait, you gotta do the cute thing that they always do whenever they stand up and model. So here we go.
Thank you guys for watching our video together.
Yes, honey, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching me lay her scalp. Thanks for watching how I melted that hoe into her freaking forehead. Now, make sure you go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe on both of our channels. If you're looking for me, you can find me at LalaMiln. That's Lala Milan, honey. Y también por mis seguidores que quieren hablar español, we do that over there too. You heard me?
She sure does. I do not yet, but I will. Yes, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm so happy you do this for me. I love Lala so much. We don't see each other a lot, but when we do,
but
we create
it always
magic.
be popping.
It
for
does.
real, for real. And don't get used to seeing me like this. She caught me when I came fresh about the bed.
She knew I was coming since yesterday, so don't even act like you didn't know.
It was 12 o'clock. Anyways, yeah. So thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.
See y'all next time.
Bye.